Good morning, my name is Becky and I live on the amazing island of Maui, and I thought I would bring you along for a day in my life. Now, I am very new to this whole vlogging situation, so as I was editing back the video footage from yesterday, of the day that I did all of this amazing footage from, I was noticing that there's a lot of key components missing to make that video just tie together and make a lot more sense for you. So today I'm going to make a few more videos and I'm going to insert those in just so that you can feel the authenticity and the transparency within the video clips of what's happening. So if you like anything in this video, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know and see more about my life here on Maui. And follow me on Instagram. So, yesterday, look at me move. I'm so excited. My long fins for snorkeling, going deep, and seeing how deep I can go in the ocean and how long I can hold my breath. And so I'm really excited. So today we're going to pack up this bag here and then we are going to head out to the trail. But first, I'm going to give my dad a call and then I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on and I will bring you along for that. So there has been a minor change in plans. Let me show you. It's hard to see, but that is all cloud cover and it is pouring rain out where I was going to head. So, and it is super windy and everywhere is overcast. So the whole mountain is overcast. And so I decided to take a moment, stop at the wonderful Ka'ahumanu Mall. Maui's pretty much one of Maui's little malls, and regroup. I might have to make this 2 days long, not exactly sure. We'll see. That's why I typically, so I live about 45 minutes from where I'm at right now, the mall in Kahului. And so typically what I won't do is, usually I just leave the house and I allow the island to guide me to where I need to be. And today I said that I was gonna go somewhere and of course it's raining. So I'm gonna go back to leaving life a mystery and take you along for the ride of the mystery of Maui and a day in my life. Alright, so while I was at the mall, I decided to stop at my favorite little candy store and take you along and pick up a taro milk boba smoothie. And I got a straw just specifically for boba to make sure that I had straws for all of my favorite drinks. Okay, so I decided that I would just come down to the beach because I looked up at my house and see, well, it looks white in the photo, but that's a huge dark black cloud. So up by my house, so all of the trails up by my house are covered in clouds. All the ones on the West Maui Mountains are covered in clouds. So I figure we'll just come to the beach, and it is actually quite beautiful here. Just arrived, got out of my car. I'm gonna go change into my swimsuit, and yeah, we'll see. And then I think that I'm gonna stop at the dive store after, and then after I stop at the dive store, I'm gonna go see if the mango stand has mangoes down at the mango stand, because they are the best. Yeah, so let's go get our swimsuit on. And let's head down to the beach, and maybe we can go for a walk down there. And hopefully it's not too windy. The wind is up pretty high today, so we will see. Let's go. Okay, that was really nice going down to the beach. Now I am complete, and now it is time to, I'm back at the car, and I am really zoomed in. There we go. Now I want to go over to the dive store and check for neoprene boots for my new fins, and then see if there's mangoes at ease. Let's go see. All right, just got done at the dive store. Just stopped in this cute little dive store over here. Oh, not that one, but that one, high tech. And picked up some 2mm booties for inside my freediving fins, and I'm really excited not to have my toes worn and eaten up when I go out snorkeling. And it is super windy out here, and this amazing coconut tree decided to gift me that coconut frond. It is super windy out here. It decided to gift me that wonderful part from its tree, so I got a free gift with purchase. All right, I just got to this adorable Japanese food truck, and I'm gonna go and order my food. It is super windy, so I'm gonna take you along, but yeah, you won't be able to hear anything except for a bunch of wind, so I'll put some music over it. And yeah, I'll show you how adorable the food is at this food truck. I'm really excited. This is the second time I've eaten here, and they just opened in July. So I picked up the food. Delicious. However, it is so windy here that I'm gonna go find another place that has way less wind so we can look at the food and see how delicious it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat it. But Okay, so now we are at the mango stand and we are going to get some mangoes! The best mangoes on Maui. Yes, are right here. Thank you. Hey. Sit. Shh. Calm. Back up. Sit. Calm. Okay, you ready to go outside? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can we just... look at how cute. And this pineapple financier that is just dripping with pineapple sauce. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Mm. Oh. Mm. Actually, you just can't compare a panini to a bento. They're just not comparable. Mm. Mm. Hmm. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for coming along with me today on my detoured hike / beach day. And I am really grateful to live on Maui and know that if there is any type of weather coming in on some of the plans that I have, that I can just spontaneously shift directions and go in a different direction and find something else to do, because there's like a million things to do here on Maui, and I plan on bringing you along for more of those adventures. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to subscribe and like this video. If you want more videos, just stick around. My name is Becki, and I am doing my best to figure out how to get this all out to you. And I am so grateful you're here. So subscribe.